Hi, everyone. I'm Simgakkar, life insurance and investment advisor. Today, I am going to introduce you to Shawn. Shawn is with Forester's Financial. He's been in insurance industry for over 30 years, and since past 15 years, he's with Foresters. And Foresters is an organization which not only provides insurance contracts, but also has a lot of member benefits for the policy holders. So I would like you to hear it straight from Shawn because Shawn is with them for past 15 years and he can really help us understand how it can make a difference not only for your insurance needs but also for other member benefits. So let's go and connect with Shawn. Hi, Shawn, how are you?
I'm very well. Good morning, and thanks so much for having me.
Thank you so much for joining me today. Shawn, we know that a lot of things are happening at Foresters, and I see that Foresters and CPP are together now. So I would like you to give some information to my viewers, and also I would like you to tell them what makes Foresters Financial unique in the insurance space.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for asking that question because we are very unique in the insurance sector, which is fantastic. We are structured as a fraternal organization, and that simply means that we're an organization that's driven to share and not shareholder driven. So in layman term, we basically have members instead of clients, and then we can offer your clients more than just a great insurance strategy because there are features of our organization that a client can take advantage of, more importantly, while their family is alive. So we're all about giving back, whether that be with families, ensuring that their communities that they reside in are well taken care of. And unfortunately, during the COVID time, we're heavily involved in giving back to organizations that are really geared towards small businesses, helping out communities, and of course, supporting our frontline workers. So again, when you become a member of our organization, you become a part of the Foresters family, and that entitles you to a lot more than you're going to get with a traditional insurance carrier.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I think that's the unique thing about Foresters. And I think Foresters is the only carrier as of today with these kinds of extra values, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah. That's very nice. So I would also like you to tell my clients, how can it make a difference for them?
Absolutely. So if you don't mind, Sim, I can give you my own personal story. I am married. I have two beautiful daughters, and they're both going to school in the London area. Mm-hmm. And one of the main reasons I joined the organization is because of I would say, the community involvement aspect of it. So it allows me and my family to get really involved in the community, to give back, volunteer. When you're looking at it from a volunteering standpoint, we have a program called the Granting Program. And that effectively allows members to access funds from our organization to give back and do good works in their own communities. And they can do up to 5 of these events per year. So 3 can be classified as a volunteering event, mm-hmm. and 2 can be classified as a fun family event. So we're an organization that really, not just talks the talk, but really walks the walk, because we do empower our members to get involved and make a difference. From a financial standpoint, when you're looking at adding, I guess, extra layers of financial security to a client's overall portfolio, education may be one of them. And we do know that, the rising cost of education is astronomical. So I can only imagine what university and college costs will be like in the next 5 to 10 years. Yep. So with Foresters, what you can do is that every member who has a child in grade 12 will have an opportunity to compete for one of 250 scholarships that we provide annually. And the total amount of that scholarship is $8,000. It's payable $2,000 per year over 4 years. And you know what? I've been truly blessed. Both of my daughters were scholarship recipients. And in total thus far, Taylor's in her last year. So I've already received the $8,000 to help her out with educational costs. And my youngest daughter, Paige, is in her first year of university. And we've already received that $2,000 extra support. So it really helps, like I said, bring your clients more of an aspect than just, sure, a great insurance strategy that's going to take care of you in the event of death or disability or critical illness, but it's a value add that you can take advantage of while your clients are alive, which is really nice.
That is so different. That is really unique, actually.
Yeah.
And I think more and more people should take advantage of that because that is something which adds more than the insurance portion. to their
Absolutely.
yes,
Definitely.
absolutely. So would you be able to give me a little bit idea so that people know a little bit more about the products that actually in terms of insurance that First is offering, like term, their par products, critical illness and disability, just a little bit, whatever you think might it'll add some value for my viewers.
Absolutely. So I guess working with yourself, Sim, obviously you have a choice of a lot of different carriers
Yes.
that can have great products, which is fantastic. So we're an organization that'll offer up your clients a full gamut of life insurance products, whether that be term or permanent. And we do have the two permanent products. We have a par and a non-par. We've just launched a new critical illness insurance product. It's a bit more unique in the industry because it's actually it goes to a term 80 instead of your traditional term 75s, which allows your clients to have extra 5 years of coverage for any critical illness benefits.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and it also just allows them to, if you're using that program or a strategy as a forced savings program, it'll allow them to save money for 5 more years. We just simply find that Canadians are living a lot longer, which is great news, and then they can use this return of premium to help supplement any retirement years. Now, you did mention that we just purchased a CPP a couple of weeks ago. So they're basically part of our product portfolio. So really from a strategy standpoint, whether it be life or CI, the client's health will not have any bearing because you're going to have two different product streams that you're going to be able to offer your clients. And you as the advisor, Sim, really work on the client's behalf, getting them the best possible strategy. And when you partner with Foresters, now you have a full gamut of life and CI products that are really going to match their portfolios.
That's very, very good. And I think I really like it that now they'll have from Foresters, they'll have simplified issues, guaranteed issue, as well as traditional policies, right?
Absolutely. A full
And
gamut. That's correct.
yeah, that's very nice. I thank you for coming here and joining me today, Shawn. And
My
thank
pleasure.
you for providing us with so much knowledge. And I would like to see you once again after some time and once the full merger is done, and then we can talk more about it. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me and would love to come back again. You have a great day.